In the high-stakes game of cyber evolution, being a fraction of a second late means total failure. Today, we explore the fastest canary attack ever recorded, where milliseconds determine the difference between detection and disaster. Just like the canaries miners use to detect dangerous gases in coal tunnels, modern cybersecurity deploys digital sentinels to protect our networks. These advanced alerts provide critical warnings before an exploit hits your environment. But in the world of digital defense, speed is everything. When we look at elite performers in natural evolution, we see that being a fraction of a second late can mean the difference between life and death for survival. The mechanism behind this speed is biological engineering at its absolute limit. An animal first contracts its muscles slowly to build tension, storing elastic energy in specialized structures before a latch releases. This stored energy converts instantly into kinetic power the moment the mechanism triggers. In our record-breaking canary attack, this entire process from detection to response happens in mere milliseconds. This rapid reaction allows security teams to use the report to understand attacker tactics and assess exposure immediately. It prioritizes action before the next exploit successfully compromises the system. So, the fastest canary attack demonstrates that in cybersecurity, biological principles of reflex apply perfectly. We are constantly pushing our defenses to these millisecond limits to ensure total protection. Understanding these millisecond races is crucial for keeping your digital life safe. What security measures do you take to protect against rapid exploits? Let me know in the comments.